So in my last video, I showed you how to turn a free ebook into a $900 sale using systems step by step. If you didn't check out that video, I will make sure to link it for you right in the end screen. So make sure to check that out after you watch this video. But in today's video, I'm actually going to show you, I'm going to take you inside of the system that helps plug yourself in so that you can do this for yourself without having to create the ebook yourself, the system yourself, or write any of the emails. And you can earn 100% profit when you plug into the system. So make sure to watch to the very end of the video because I'm also going to give you a copy of the blueprint so you can see exactly how the system works. So if you want to build a time freedom business and you want to learn how to turn an ebook into a $900 sale, I'm going to show you the system that will help you start doing that sooner than later. Let's go. All right, so the system that I'm about to share with you delivers an ebook that has a lot of value, and it also gives you the option of selling a $100, a $300, a $600, and even a $900 program that pays you 100% profit. So let me show you how the system works, and you can see it follows the exact same process that I talked to you about in my other video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm entering my name and email over here as a test. I'm going to change it here just in case because I think I used this already before. So I'm going to just put in a test email. And just a side note, if you ever want to do testing and you don't want to use your email all the time, all you have to do is enter like my name, Barbie Figueroa, plus, and then just a string of numbers, and then at gmail.com. And you'll get that test email without having to actually create a new email. So that's just a side tip. All right. So now I'm going to click on yes, send me the blueprint now. And then what it does is it goes to a video where the creator is explaining everything about the program before the ebook gets delivered to you. So this is how you would also want to set up a system. Ultimately, you can do this in your business, but for now, this is already done for you. So when you plug into this system, you can just grab your copy of this exact same system and then make it your own. All right. So that's the first thing she does. She introduces you to the system and to the blueprint. And then in order to get the blueprint, which I'll show you what it is in just a second, then all you have to do is go and check your email and that blueprint will be sitting right there. You don't have to create the ebook. You don't have to create any of the content. It's already been done for you. That way, when people opt into your system, it's already going to be there, so you just insert yourself into the system. It is just amazing. Okay, so what happens when I click on this button? Now, when I click on this button, it's going to take me to what? The sales page, just like we talked about. So now I went from downloading, requesting to download an ebook to now a video that explains what's going on. And now I'm on the sales page that's going to tell me everything about the system. So now this page will show you how to earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business. And this digital business is called Legacy Builders, and it is amazing. And in the next video, I'm going to show all about it. I'm going to tell you all about what's inside of it, what you get with your investment, and how you can set up a system just like this for you. So notice I didn't have to create anything. She already did the videos. She already did the copywriting. She already did everything. She's already telling and selling and doing everything for me so that I don't have to. Here we have social proof. And then what I do is I just kind of warm up and customize the system with a little bit of my own story. That way, the person that opts in knows that they are actually working with me, right? And so you would do the same thing. You would go in, you would edit a little bit so that now the system is more customized to you. Okay. So then here are the different options that you have to start with the system. Okay. So here you get there are four products. They're 4 educational products, but they also automatically double as an income stream, right? And so there are 4 products. In these products, you have the Launchpad, which is $100, the Passive Daily Pay, which is $300, the Digital Mastery Program, which is $600. And the cool thing is if you buy the Launchpad by itself, it's only $100. It's a $100 investment. You get to sell it for $100 as well. So it's a course that you don't even have to create, and it teaches people some of the foundational digital marketing skills. And if you purchase Passive Daily Pay, then it also includes everything in Launchpad and everything in Passive Daily Pay. Passive Daily Pay teaches you how to attract customers daily, which every business needs to know how to do. Then you get access to Digital Mastery, and Digital Mastery is $600, and it includes everything that's in Passive Daily Pay and Launchpad. Now, if you want the whole kit and caboodle, then you go with Legacy Builders because it includes everything that's in Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay, Digital Mastery, and more stuff inside of Legacy Builders. Plus, you get access to the Digital Growth Community, which is absolutely amazing. And I'll be showing you more about that in my next video. But see, the sales page is teaching you everything. It's telling and selling. It's doing all the heavy lifting. But my goodness, can we agree that by the time you do this all by yourself, it's going to take a lot of work. And this has already been done for you. Like literally, you make your investment and you can plug into this system. And then in the background, if you want to learn how to create the system for yourself, you can, but you can get an incredible jump start by plugging into the system because it's already done for you. Now, let's go look at the ebook so that you can see that the ebook isn't just some flimsy fly-by-night ebook. It's actually a very valuable ebook. So let's go ahead and check that out. So in the first email is the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it's already done for you. And it's already attached to the email. That way you do not have to write it yourself. And it's a really valuable ebook that it teaches you some of the step-by-step stuff to create your own time freedom digital business. So just to give you an example, it teaches you about, you need a domain and a website. You need a lead capture page, a checkout system, automated delivery. You need a good digital product, all those things. It teaches you step by step. And then, like I said in my other video, the ebook is a call to action to check out the main product. So then when you click on the email that comes with this product, it takes you back to the sales page, and it'll take your lead back to the system, back to the sales page, so that you earn those profits 100% when you set this system up. So they're going to get the ebook, they're going to go through the system, and they're going to learn how to do this as well. So it's just such a great value inside of the system, and it follows the same format of ebook to sales using a system and high value digital offer. That way you can build a 100% digital business that you can grow from anywhere, and it's a time freedom business because all of these systems are working for you even when you're not online. So then your only job is, once you set up your system, is to point more traffic to the system. And they teach you how to do that inside of the Legacy Builders training. All right. How cool is that? A total done for you business in a box that you can literally insert yourself into without having to create everything yourself, at least for now. It's a great way to get started with digital marketing and creating an income stream that pays you 100% profit without having to do everything from scratch yourself. So if you want to download the blueprint yourself, then go ahead to the pinned comment under this video and download your copy and go through the system and observe how it works, and picture yourself setting up a system just like this and learning how to drive traffic to that system so that you can turn ebooks to $900 sales over and over and over again, just like a lot of the people inside of our system are doing. In today's video, I showed you what products are in there, but in the next video, I'm going to actually go inside of the product itself, and I'm going to show you exactly what you get access to so that you feel confident about sharing this incredible system with other people. So it's a win-win situation. You bless others as you get blessed because you are equipping people with the knowledge and the skill sets to learn digital marketing and to have a product that they can sell, that they don't have to create themselves. And right now, with everything going on in the world, this is going to be such a blessing to so many people. So you can get started with the blueprint. Just go ahead and download it in the pinned comment, and I'll also have it in the description box right below this video. So with that being said, if you have any questions about the system, please leave them in the comment section right below this video. I would love to know. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with BarbieFigueroa.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.